Hey everybody! We are out next to the playground and Pretty Bird is doing some grazing. Huh, Pretty Bird? You guys won't believe. Like, she has gone full on into shedding. I hope that she'll spread her wings for you guys soon. And if you pay attention to her wings once she does it, you'll notice that on both tips of her wings, all of her flight feathers are missing. It's crazy. I mean, she pulled out, I think I counted them, I think we were at like 25 long, thick stemmed feathers, flight feathers, the hard ones, the really, really long ones. And it's pretty crazy. No, don't dump it, silly girl. Anyways, Pretty Bird's doing okay. At first I got really worried that she was like, I don't know, that it had something to do with jealousy or stress because of the what is it, honey? What is it? It's okay. Here, Mama will get more water. I thought maybe it had something to do with jealousy or stress because Pretty Bird was watching me take care of those little quail babies, and I thought, hey, like, she might not like that because she's definitely not enjoying the fact that I'm paying attention to yet another birdie. But I mean, she's dealing with it. I think she knows she's my baby. She knows I love her. And I'm not gonna abandon her. No, I'm not taking it from you, silly girl. Here, come on, let's put it over here. I know, come on. Look at the tips of her feathers. Look. You see that? All of the flight feathers are gone. There you go. Let's hope that doesn't fall over. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're gonna dump it again. And then you're gonna be out of water. What are you doing? It's a good thing it's not hot tonight. I think there's a storm coming in. What are you doing? Where are you going? Pretty Bird, where are you going? Where are you going, Pretty Bird? I think she really, really, really is thirsty. What are you doing? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, honey, Mama didn't mean to scare you. I'm sorry. Hey, honey. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. What was that? You coming? Are you coming? Come on. Oh, Big Bird. Come on. Big Bird. Come on. Now, if you're wondering about what we're doing at the playground, just a little side note. The only place my children are allowed to go right now is on these swings. The reason why is because there's literally nobody else here at this playground. And and yes, I am that mom, I used Clorox disinfecting wipes and hand sanitizer. And yes, I still have it left over because I've been using homemade hand sanitizer that I made with ibuprofen. And I've been using disinfecting spray and all of that combined to clean off both swings so that they could swing because it's been a few months. And again, there is no one here at this particular playground. There are some people playing basketball in the far, but not over here. So, just a side note, I'm not trying to protest the stay-at-home order or anything like that. I'm simply trying to, in a very safe manner, let my children swing for a little while. I hope you guys understand that the right way. This is not a channel for protesting one or another thing or complaining about stay-at-home orders or anything like that, or not stay-at-home orders being prolonged, or stuff opening or not opening. We are not here for that. We are here to check out and enjoy this adorable little goose. Right, Pitbird? Pitbird! Pitbird! Are you a big bird? Big bird! You coming? I'm gonna forgot to put that away. There you go. You coming? Come on. Quick, quick. Come on. Pretty, 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 pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. She's like, I'm not leaving. Dee Dee and Boots are not coming. I'm not going. I'm telling you guys, she doesn't stop this. It doesn't matter what I do. I could walk away so far unless I'm walking along closely to the children. Come on, pretty bird. Are you coming? Are you coming? She saw her water. Nope, she doesn't care. Oh, you break my heart. You're such a stubborn goose. You're so spoiled. Are you a spoiled goose? Nom, nom, nom. Anyway, so I don't want my phone to cut this video off because of memory issues. So I'm going to go ahead and make 2 videos this evening. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this one short. In the next one, I'm going to use the flashlight with that one so that the picture will be better. It appears that Pretty Bird's foot's doing well, by the way. It also appears that her, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, Pretty Bird. Oh, pretty. See, that's how she normally acts. She doesn't startle and run away when I touch her. For any of the newcomers. Also, by the way, we have hit over 120 subscribers. I know that's not a big number for, like, YouTube people, but to think that, like, January, we were at, like, maybe 20 subscribers, and we've gained 100 subscribers to join the Pretty Bird flock. I think that is pretty amazing. I mean, that's just my opinion over here. So I wanted to tell all of you, thank you so much for deciding to become part of Pretty Bird's flock. And we really, really hope that the content that we provide, following Pretty Bird, taking a walk with her, and enjoying her, and sharing our life with her, is bringing all of you enjoyment. I'm sorry for the windiness. Like I said, I believe there's a storm coming in. And there's the ending of the Arizona sunset. I have some beautiful pictures of Pretty Bird, by the way, like in front of the sunset, where like all you see is just her shape. It's pretty beautiful. But anyways, so we do hope that, oh, pretty, it's okay. We hope that you guys have, whoops, sorry, something's wrong with the camera. We do hope that you guys have enjoyed this evening's video. We hope that you guys will continue coming back and subscribe. Anybody who hasn't subscribed, please do. I mean, how could you not? This is such a cute goose. Look how silly she is. She's trying to take a bath in her water bowl. I mean, how could you not chuckle at that? Anyways, we love our Goose. She's an absolute sweetheart. We were blessed to be able to rescue 2 little quails a few days ago. We will update you guys on those too. And we actually have another surprise. So, which I will probably make a video about that later on this evening too. So y'all might actually get 3 videos tonight. Anyways, like I said, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Please. Ah! It's a tissue! Run away! It's okay, Pretty Bird. Yeah, that's not one of ours, honey. It's okay. It's just a tissue. It's just a tissue. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what are you going to do? Uh-oh. What are you going to do? Do you see the tissue? Are you coming? Come on. Come here. It's a tissue. Oh, it's moving. Oh, Big Bird. so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Anyways, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I'll make another one in a little while. Pretty bird, I can barely see you. Come here. Super pretty. And if you enjoyed this video today, please like our video. Please share it with your friends and family if you think they might enjoy watching this silly goose. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. I think I've mentioned it about 25 times already. I apologize. I keep getting distracted. And leave us some comments. Let us know what you think. You know, we enjoy reading the comments. So, we really hope everyone out there, on a serious note, is doing okay and is healthy and happy. And, you know, we love the pretty bird flock, don't we, pretty bird? Huh? Pretty bird, do you love your flock? Do you love your flock, pretty bird? Hey, Dee Dee, Boots, say bye.